Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Signifyd e-commerce protection. Review my usage experience. Signifyd e-commerce protection. Review my usage experience offers fraud prevention and chargeback protection for e-commerce businesses. It's aimed at online retailers of all sizes who want to reduce financial losses from fraudulent orders and chargebacks. Key features include automated order screening, guaranteed payments, and potentially reduced chargeback rates. Their website provides details on specific features and pricing plans. Signifyd positions itself as a comprehensive solution for online fraud protection, emphasizing its automated processes and guaranteed payments. They highlight ease of integration with existing e-commerce platforms and claim to offer superior accuracy compared to competitors. Their website details pricing, but generally, it's a subscription-based service. They don't advertise specific technology, but it's implied to use machine learning and data analysis to identify risky orders. Availability is generally for businesses operating online, and checking availability for your specific platform is best done through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Signifyd e-commerce protection. Review my usage experience. Getting started was surprisingly straightforward. Their onboarding process was well documented, and I had the service integrated with my Shopify store within an hour. The dashboard itself is clean and intuitive. I could easily monitor flagged orders and review the reasons for their categorization. For example, one order was flagged due to an unusual shipping address, which Signifyd highlighted in red. I investigated and it turned out to be a genuine customer who had recently moved, so I manually approved it. This process was simple and took mere seconds. Overall, the performance was excellent. The system flagged potentially fraudulent orders quickly and accurately. I had one quick question about a specific setting and their support responded within a day via email. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the guaranteed payments, the peace of mind knowing that Signifyd would cover approved orders that later resulted in chargebacks was invaluable. One minor drawback was the slightly steep learning curve when it comes to the advanced settings, but even that was navigable with a little bit of time spent reading through their documentation. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Signifyd. It's provided a significant level of protection for my business and has ultimately saved me money and time. That's my overview of Signifyd e-commerce protection. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.